Hello? Na-demonetize ka ba? Or hindi ba na-approve ang iyong monetization application? Dahil daw reused content yung ginagamit mo? Or inauthentic content daw yung ina-upload mo? Nakakainis nga naman talaga yan. Pero merong sagot dyan. Pagka pinapapasa ka ng video appeal, sundan mo yung ginawa ko dito step by step. No? At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, mag-like, mag-subscribe at saka hit mo yung notification bell. Marami pa tayong ibang content about kay Mangusin at kung sino-sino pa, no? Okay, so ito yung video.
Hello YouTube. Recently, my application for YouTube monetization was denied due to allegedly reusing content. This is the URL to my YouTube channel. This is what my YouTube studio told me. Reused content. Content is not clearly an original creation of this channel and may have been repurposed from another source without adding significant original commentary, substantive modification, or educational entertainment value. Because of this, I made this appeal video to hopefully establish that my YouTube videos are my works and it is an original creation by the owner of this channel. My channel is largely commentaries with a legal point of view about interesting topics around YouTube and social media. These are my devices. I use my laptop to create videos on YouTube. This is what I use to upload videos. When I'm making videos, I use an extra monitor so that I can share my screen. Hello YouTube, this is how I create videos for my channel. As you can see, this is my laptop. This is my main device for recording videos. And this is my cell phone. This is my secondary device for creating videos. I use this also for editing and for passing videos to from my cell phone to my laptop. So I use StreamYard to record my videos. As you can see, this is me and that is my name and that is my face. Normally, I show articles from the internet and I read it and react or make commentaries about it. So sometimes if I need some editing, I use TPARD MKD converter as my number one converter. Sometimes I use my cell phone to convert using CapCut, but I do not use it now. This is my primary application for editing videos. Stop. In this video, you can see that I am reacting to another person's video. But it is not a reused content because I put my commentaries about what he said. So it is not a reused content. I put my own commentaries on it. Sometimes I use Movavi Video Editor to edit my videos. As you can see, it is in progress now. I edited my video. I use this other than Tepard that I have shown earlier. For the thumbnail, I hire another person. In this case, I'm hiring Era Trinidad to make me a thumbnail. I said to her, Era, can you make me a thumbnail? I will pay you 500 pesos. Like before, make me a thumbnail with a clown on it. Make it colorful. She said, sige kuya, or it translates to, okay kuya. Put in the text, tagilid si FLM, or FLM is in jeopardy. And she made me one. And I will just upload that. In closing, it is clear that my videos do not violate the content policy of YouTube. I do not post short videos that I compiled from other social media websites. There are no collection of songs in my channel. There are no clips of my favorite show in this channel. I do not upload contents from other creators, and I do not promote other people's content. I thank you, YouTube, for your kind consideration, and I will value the opportunity to earn from your platform. Thank you, YouTube.